Ngoba ke sewufikile kuJesu, it's a must ukuthi be the light of the world. Yiba ukukhanya. Once wathi Jesu ngena ngaphakathi, kungena ukukhanya. Once wangena uJesu wangashintsha. Hayi awubuyele drawing board. Awubuyele drawing board. Yinle ekuthandisa into engathanda uJesu, uJesu engaphakathi. Ngoba uJesu akakwazi ukuhlala nento angayithandi. You are the light of MUT. That is your world for the time being. You have the duty to light up. Awuwazi uqhamuka sewulayitha iuniversity. Kodwa umthetho wakhona lento ime kanje. You start by being the light in your room, kuma roommates. Kuba iwona shoyo ukuthi hayi rooms, tell us more. What is your secret? Kodwa once wangena uJesu, ilight iqala ku rooms. Athi hayi uyazi ukuthi we rooms ngibona ever since unoshintsho awusayiphenduli noma yini, awusayixoxi noma yini. You are the light of MUT. That's your world for now. Unoxanduva hawukwazi ukuthatha uJesu umvalele la wasuthi ngizohlala phezu kwakhe. Uma ngathela ithelo ezinomehluko sokuthi ubuzwe ngabantu, hayi ubuyele drawing board. Boys and girls of MUT, nansi mandate. Go out and be the light. Kungaba inkinga ke ukuthi light kodwa ihambe emnyameni. Awukwazi ukuzenza ukuba uyi light but uyalayitha. You are made to be the light. Yikho ngithi mawemukela uJesu kufanele kubonakala. Mangabonakali, go back. Uthi uDavide izwi lakho lisibani, is the lamp la kuma feet ami. Nansi light